Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are on day 6. Today we will learn English while shopping. We all go for shopping. So we need to speak in English with people over there in English, or to the mall person over there, or to the sales executive, and then we struggle, and because of that we come in that oh moment. So to avoid that, let's learn today shopping English, the English that we use while shopping. So herein I will teach you few sentences, few questions that you can ask when you go for shopping. And again, we will follow the same pattern, the same sentence I will say 3 times. Speed 1, very slow, then speed 2, a bit high speed than the speed 1, and the third one in a fluent tone. And you will repeat after me, because if you will repeat after me, you will start feeling confident while watching the video. And once you go for shopping, do practice them again so you don't struggle. Now, without wasting the time, let's begin with this. So herein, the first phrase that you can ask is, मैं यह खरीदना चाहता हूँ. I want to buy this. I want to buy this. I want to buy this. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? यह बहुत महंगा है. It's too expensive. It's too expensive. It's too expensive. क्या आप कुछ छूट देंगे? Can you give some discount? Can you give some discount? Can you give some discount? We all love discount. Do you love? Do tell me in the comments. यह सस्ता दाम का है. This is affordable. This is affordable. This is affordable. क्या इसका दूसरा साइज है? Do you have another size? Do you have another size? Do you have another size? मैं सिर्फ देख रहा हूँ. I am just looking. I am just looking. I am just looking. मैं इसे बाद में खरीदूंगा. I will buy it later. I will buy it later. I will buy it later. कृपया इसे पैक कर दीजिए. Please pack this. Please pack this. Please pack this. क्या आप UPI लेते हैं? Do you accept UPI? Do you accept UPI? Do you accept UPI? मैं ऑनलाइन पेमेंट करूंगा. I will pay online. I will pay online. I will pay online. कैश या कार्ड? कैश और कार्ड? कैश और कार्ड? कैश और कार्ड? बिल दीजिए. The bill please. The bill please. The bill please. यह महंगा है. It's costly here. It's costly here. It's costly here. मुझे यह बाहर सस्ता मिला. I got it cheaper outside. I got it cheaper outside. I got it cheaper outside. यह अच्छी क्वालिटी का है. This is good quality. This is good quality. This is good quality. मुझे इस दुकान पर भरोसा है. I trust this shop. I trust this shop. I trust this shop. छूट देने के लिए धन्यवाद. Thank you for the discount. Thank you for the discount. Thank you for the discount. मैं फिर आऊंगा. I will come again. I will come again. I will come again. So I wonder you like all these 20 sentences, and don't forget to practice them. Even after watching this video, go again and practice it. And before going to the shopping, don't forget to repeat and memorize them once and feel confident while shopping. So stay tuned, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you tomorrow in the next video.